do you pay your LCP?
So by minimum wage, right? So it's 9.
No, pero 9.25.
9.25 per hour. Right?
But the LCP is also live-in.
That's 24 hours.
So basically, that's 24 hours, right? How many kids does a family have? Let's say they have 2 kids.
Yeah, so there you go.
They do
What else?
housework.
Housework. Garden work. Every work in nature.
Shoveling.
Right?
All of the above.
So for them, if you look at, okay, do I put my
tutor the kids because she's very young.
But if you hire an LCP, this is what you get. You get a package. Like how much do we get, for example, like in reality, how much do LCPs get per month? What is their monthly pay? 1,000. LCP gets 1,200. Or maybe it's 1,000 lang.
961?
Yung net.
Sobrang pandaraya yan.
That's too much.
Yan ang
daraya, man.
Pero counted yan na 1,000 na bayaan ko na daw yung sentimos.
No.
So, I mean, you can see. So, bakit hindi siya, di ba? This is clear exploitation. For anyone who won't be able to see that this is exploitation, I don't know what you're looking at. This is a job that no other Canadians would take. And HRSDC said that. We have to look for foreign live-in caregivers because this is a job that no other Canadians would take. Because it's true, who in Canada would live with their employer? Again, as I've mentioned, we are calling for the scrapping of this program. We believe that a program that is based or that is a modern-day slavery program is not something that you can reform. So for us, we have been calling for the scrapping of this program because it is part of our women's liberation. And for us, women's liberation is non-negotiable. I think we also have, as a community, we really have to look at, we are now the 3rd largest visible minority group in Canada. But in terms of our genuine settlement and integration within the Canadian society, we're not there. So that's what we really have to look at. And LCP is one of the issues. Are we really fully settled and integrated into the Canadian quote-unquote mosaic, right? The multiculturalism program of Canada. Are we even there? Are we fully participating in the Canadian affairs? We have been calling for permanent residency so that the women, when they come here, they will have landed immigrant status, that they will be able to have the choice to bring in their families with them, to also address the issue of family separation. We have also been calling for the accreditation of the professions and of these women, of this group of people, because we believe that if Canada really wants these people to come to Canada, that they should be given the right to choose the work that they want to do within Canada. We have also been calling for a national or a universal childcare program within Canada that will benefit not only the upper class Canadian families, but a universal childcare program that will benefit all women in Canada, particularly the working class women in Canada. We are also calling to stop the privatization of healthcare and elderly care. Like what we're seeing right now is that the live-in caregiver program is sort of like the de facto child care and elder care. Because if you look at the temporary foreign workers program, like why is it that these people are only coming in as temporary when it's so clear that under globalization, what Canada really needs is workers, they really need a lot of workers. But of course, like under globalization, Canada wants a pool of cheap labor. And where are they going to get that pool of cheap labor? From countries of the third world. But the question is, as a movement, right? As a movement, are we gonna allow that these people just come in as temporary foreign workers?
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Bumangon ka na, Maria. Talikala mo ay lagutin, susulong tayo. O Maria, kinabukas ay papandahin. Hindi ka dapat matakot sa sumpang ipinataw sa'yo. Dahil hindi tayo hinugot mula sa tadyang ng pulpito. Ay, 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 ay. Bumangon ka na, Maria. Talikala mo ay lagutin, susulong tayo. O Maria, kinabukas ay papandayin. Mag-aaral tayong muli, iwawasto ang tiwali. Lalaya ang kababaihan sa mga pahina ng kasaysayan. Ay, 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 ay. Bumangon ka na, Maria. Talikala mo ay lagutin, susulong tayo. O Maria, kinabukas ay